Hey guys, this is Caitlin Troy giving my school's report card. My school is called the Facing History School. It's located in New York City in Manhattan. Here's some statistics on my school. So if you look over here, for gender, my school is the total students is 428. So we have 51.6% male, 48.4% female. If you look over here at the enrollment by ethnicity, you'll see in this large orange section that 69.2% of students are Latino or Hispanic. Here in the yellow, 25.7% are Black or African American, and then these little chunks are Asian, white, and multiracial at 1.6%. And just to give you a visual, so here's the enrollment by ethnicity. So you can see in this big blue bar that is our Hispanic or Latino students. Here, this medium-sized bar is the Black or African American, and then these little ones at the end were the 1.6%ers. Some other groups, so English language learners are 70 students, which is 16% of my school's population. Students with disabilities is at 98 students, which is 23%. And economically disadvantaged is 306 students, which is 71% of our population, which is very significant. Here too, some more statistics. So eligible for free lunch are 302 of our students, which is 71%. Eligible for reduced price lunch is 4 students at 1%. There wasn't any information on the 2016 to 2017 school year regarding attendance, but the annual attendance rate from 2015 to 2016 is at 80%. This is the graduation rate data from June 2016 to 2017 school year. So as you can see, our graduation rate is 66%, which, to be frank, is definitely disheartening. Our school doesn't offer Regents diploma or Regents advanced diplomas. We just offer the regular Regents diploma because our school students don't have to take Regents, but they graduate with a Regents applicable diploma. So that is also at 66%. And kind of to follow that along, this is the enrollment by grade. So as you can see, our 9th grade class comes in with very high numbers. So from 2016 to 2017, we had 162 freshmen, which is 38% of our student population, which kind of dwindles from 10th grade to 11th grade to 12th grade year. And last year, for example, we had 69 seniors, which was 16% of our student population. So to go from 162 freshman year and to lose that amount to their senior year definitely isn't great, but that's just a little visual of our 66% graduation rate. Just quickly to connect to the articles that we had to read. So from the State of Racial Diversity in the Educator Workforce article, just thinking about racial diversity for principals. So this was taken from the article, and it said that in the 2011 to 2012 school year, a majority of public school principals were white, and that's about 80%. I thought that was really interesting because at my school, which I just showed you from the enrollment by ethnicity, that our school is predominantly Hispanic, Latino, or Black. And my principal, my 2 assistant principals are both white women. So that was really interesting to read about. The second article, the U.S. school enrollment hits majority and minority milestone, talking about diversity of students. And this quote was taken from this article. It said that one challenge has been the nature of diversity in those schools. New majorities with students who speak dozens of different home languages. Some students have had no schooling for years. Others come with a solid educational experience that puts them ahead of their American peers. And that was really interesting, again, kind of connecting to what I discovered from the report card, that we have a very big English language learner population, a lot of diversity with the Hispanic, Latino, and Black students. So it was sort of interesting to see how at my school that is reflected in these articles. So that's just a brief overview of what I found out for reading the articles and the report card on my school. So again, this is the Facing History School. This is Caitlin Troy. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. Looking forward to reading your guys' comments.